Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use one Google Pay account in 2 devices. All right, let's begin. First, make sure both phones have the Google Pay app installed. You can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store if it is not already installed. Once installed, open Google Pay on your first phone and sign in using the Google account you want to use. This Google account will be the one connected to both devices. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select Payment Methods. Then tap Add Card and enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Follow the verification steps provided by your bank. In most cases, your bank will send an SMS code or ask you to confirm the card through their banking app. Now take your second phone and open the Google Pay app. Sign in using the same Google account you used on the first phone. After signing in, go to Payment Methods, tap Add Card, and enter the same card details again. Complete the verification process just like before. Most banks allow the same card to be added to multiple devices, usually up to 9 or 10. As long as both phones use the same Google account, the setup will work smoothly. So that's basically how you can use one Google Pay account in 2 devices. That's it for this video. Thanks.